Bye.
Mommy, say bye, Mommy.
Bye, Mommy. Alright, so we just picked up the truck at the transmission place. I got the kids in the back screaming. Where are we going? What are we doing?
Apple picking!
Well, no, not today, but let's drive home now. Even Thirdo's in the truck. Sadly, my wife in that truck also because she's driving the Silverado back. But, alright, go ahead, back up.
Bye, Mommy! Say bye! Say bye, Mommy.
Let's just go that way. Yeah, you know what? Follow me. How about that? Alright.
Yeah,
See how this thing works.
Say bye!
I did. Alright, you guys ready?
Electro waits amigos!
That's right.
It is right.
Wow, feels great already.
Yeah.
The brakes.
Like old-fashioned long in our
Yeah, the brakes are a little bit weird, spongy. But it's not so bad.
Bro, on the McDonald's.
Yeah, I know. There, sit down. Is Mommy behind us? Let's fix this mirror. There you go.
Mommy's behind us.
Mommy.
I see the
Okay. Hi. Okay. Whoa. Yeah. See McDonald's? Alright, windows up. Oh, wait. Well, the window switch is not working now. Figure that out. Oh, yeah, it's working now. That's funny. Horn is working fine. Dude, I'm driving a tractor right now. It's weird. Everything rattles, of course. But that'll be something I will take care of down the road. There's a camera right here.
Oh, hi.
You didn't see it?
Apple picking today.
No, not going apple picking today. You're going back to school. You're on lunch break. You're getting to pick up the truck. Temperature gauge. Still low.
Adventure waits.
I did order the temperature gauge.
Papa, let's go on an adventure.
We're driving back. Reverse.
Let's pretend, okay? Let's pretend.
It's funny. I'm looking for the backup camera. I'm looking around. There's no backup camera. I forgot. This is so used to my truck backup camera. I guess my wife is not. She's having a hard time putting it into the driveway. That is good for now. So yeah, I think this is great.
Yeah.
There though, taking the whole camera. Anyway, thank you so much. Definitely want to say thank you to Lauren Transmission. Wonderful job. Truck is running great, and hopefully I don't have to see you guys again in a good way. All right, back to school, everybody. Let's go. Thirdo, you done? Ah, come on. That is pretty old oil. Welcome back. I'm trying to do this and chase the kids around. And it is so much difficult to chase the kids around than take the engine apart. I bet you. Anyway, so yeah, I did the oil change. The oil was burned beyond. I don't think I ever seen an oil that dark. I had a leak right here. I don't know if the camera lady can see, but it was leaking antifreeze. That's good. I think you got it. And yeah, this is the the thermostat housing. I think it's called the housing, whatever. I don't even know what it's called, but anyway, this is what the hose goes in. Also, the hose was this is the new hose. I had to cut about an inch off. It was too long. And this is the old hose. It's pretty bad here. It was leaking right here. So ripped right here, and inside it's pretty bad. But anyway, so I'm replacing the hose. This is the old hose. This is the new hose now. So I want to clean this up right here, scrape it nicely, so I can already install the new. Where's the new? This is the new thermostat right here. That's just gonna go right here. Simple. There's a bunch of videos online how to do this, so I'm not recording much of it. The oil change, yeah, I was surprised how bad it was. And this thing, I don't think. I mean, I'm not complaining. We basically bought this car knowing there would be a lot of issues, and it was something that we wanted to do, and you know, take on a new project and something fun for the whole family. And so far, you know, the I guess someone fell down back there and crying. Anyway, let me put this together, and then see you in a few. Alright, so I think I got everything done. Don't see anything leaking anywhere. Alright, so what did we do? We did oil change. We did the thermostat, brand new hose. I put the day on it, the month and the year that was done. Transmission, I also label as well. All the water temperature sensor, I did that as well. Might as well if I'm doing all the hoses. I might have to do the bottom hose. And one thing I ain't concerned about is this hose here. I don't think this is the right hose. I asked the guy to double check. He double checked. He's saying that this is the right hose. I don't think this is the right hose. I don't like how it goes right over the alternator. I think the other one went right in between. But if it's the wrong hose, then I guess they owe me a bottle of antifreeze and a new hose. I don't care. Alright, so anyway, that was it. This is everything that we were able to do so far. This is the old thermostat, and this is the old water temperature sensor. Goes right in the bottom. There's hundreds of videos online how to do this, and this obviously the same thing. So what are we doing next? Next we're gonna do the not this video. Next video we're gonna do the air filter. I need to get a seal because I think there was a seal right here made out of foam, and I think they spray everything down with brake fluid, and brake fluid just melted away all the seal. So I ordered a new one. That's coming in the mail. Then we're gonna do the spark plugs, and that's a pain because I already tried to take one off and it wasn't coming off. So I need to get a bar or a pipe just to muscle it in, and then I need to be able. It's getting too late to do that. Break something and I'm in trouble. So, alright, so let me tell you guys how I was able to get a license plate for this truck. I'm not gonna go into the name of the towns I went to or the people or anything like that. I'm just gonna go town 1, 2, and 3, just because. Anyway, I got up at 3 o'clock in the morning to go to Motor Vehicles. I got there at 4 o'clock in the morning. Let's say I went to town number 1, which is about 20 minutes away from our house. I get there. I was like at number 10 in line, right? And then, so open the chair, sitting there in the dark, just like everybody else, freezing my ass off, right? And then around 5 o'clock in the morning, all the lights around the building, they turn on. And so anyway, this particular Motor Vehicles, it's a little strip mall, so there's 2 entrances, one from the front, one from the back. So everybody was lining up in the back how to get into Motor Vehicles once they open up at 8. And then the main entrance for the mall to the front. Well, once the 5 o'clock hit, all the lights went on, a couple people, like maybe 5 people, went in through the front, and they decided to just
make the line, and at the entrance of the motor vehicles, well, kind of pissed everybody else off who was outside in the cold since 2 o'clock in the morning. Some of them got there that early. Anyway, so the big commotion, people were arguing back and forth, police came and everything. But some guy went postal, put it that way. There was 2 ladies, 2 old guys, and some kid hiding, literally hiding behind the wall. Anyway, police came, and that was it. Around 6 o'clock in the morning, someone was walking around the whole line, screaming, "This motor vehicle doesn't do tags and title." So I'm like, I can't believe this. Wait, hold on a second. So I went back. Now I went inside the mall. I looked at this freaking big sign on the glass, and the door says, "Yeah, this motor vehicle doesn't do tags and whatever." Anyway, so the lady said, "Make you go to motor vehicle town number 2, which is the next town over, about 20 minutes away." I get there. From being number 10 in line, or maybe 15, if the other people, because the other people, they kind of cut in line, right? Now I'm with the first 100. Now, motor vehicles in New Jersey, they only doing, I believe, anywhere from 200 to 260 people a day. So I made it within the first 100, so I don't care. Anyway, 8 o'clock in the morning, the lady comes around, handing tickets. "Hey, what are you here for? Insurance, whatever, license or whatever." She gets to me, she's like, "Hey, what are you here for? Tags and title." "Sorry, this motor vehicle doesn't do that either. You gotta go to town number 3. Now, town number 3 is 20 minutes from my house, not even 5 minutes from my office. I can actually walk there, right? So now this is 8 o'clock. By the time I left there, I got to motor vehicles, I think around, I don't know, 8:30, 8:40. Now this other motor vehicles in another strip mall. I drive up, there's a cop there. He looks at me, I look at him, he just goes like this. "Turn around, there's nothing here for you." I asked him, "Hey, is there a chance?" He was like, "Nope, the last ticket was given out at 7:30 in the morning. Come back another day." "Alright, no problem." Now I've been out since 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm kind of pissed off. I go to my office, which again is like 5 blocks away, right? Something like that. I get there, walk into the office. My boss is like, "What's going on?" "What is it with the sad face?" I'm like, "Well, explain to him what happened. How, I've been up since whatever time." He goes like, "Yeah, well, guess what? Make you happy. I was driving around yesterday, Sunday, and I got pulled over, expired registration." And he was lucky. He was just they gave him a warning because motor vehicles are a mess again. And he's like, "Well, I might have to take another day off tomorrow to go to motor vehicles. I can probably do, get both of them done at the same time." As we were talking about, everything that went down, the phone rings. And some guy's like, "Hey, do you guys do samples for mold? We had the flood in this building, and we need someone to take the samples because everything is getting moldy." "Yeah, sure, no problem. Where are you located?" "I'm located at motor vehicles." "Wait, are you for real?" I said, yeah, I'm located at motor vehicles at the hallway, side hallway. That's the employee's entrance. "Wait, my supervisor was just there right now." So at that point, I literally jump off the chair, and I'm telling him, "Yes, we do. Just take the phone call, take it. It's free of charge. We need to go back there." So anyway, the guy's like, "Okay, great. So meet you 1 o'clock." I went home. I took a nap. I was there 1 o'clock. We go in, and we are talking, whatever. And the guy's like, "Well, I can't really help you, but I make a couple phone calls." The guy made some phone calls. Next thing I know, someone from motor vehicles comes out. "Hey, I heard that you guys need some help. What do you guys need?" "Well, he needs registration. I need title and tags and plates or tags." "Yeah, no problem. Follow me." Go to window 1. No problem. Fill out the paperwork. I mean, we were already inside the motor vehicle, so yeah, we get it all done. And this is not it. Here comes the best part. I'm at the window, and the lady's like, "Oh, you live in this town?" I was like, "Yeah." "Oh, I live in the town too." So okay, cool. Now everybody has the mask on, so it's hard to see who they are. It's like, "Oh, wait, you live on that street?" I was like, "Yes, I do." "So do I." she's looking at me like put my mask down a little bit. Like, oh my God, you're that guy with a black dog. Yes, I am. I'm your neighbor. But she's literally my neighbor across the street, like one house over. And that is the story how I was able to get my license plate and new registration and change the title to our Suburban. So hope you guys like the story, if not the video. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video where we will continue doing updates to this truck, and hopefully in the near future you'll be ready for going overlanding and going on awesome trips for the whole family. All right, so again, thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.